It's magnetic, love that. Small details, it's just something that I really appreciate. That's cute. It comes with a little lock. This pass-through is so much easier to use. I wear this bag every single day. It still looks brand new. It's real leather. And it's just so high quality and looks so good that I have no regrets. Hey everyone, I just got my new weekender bag from Carl Friedrik, as you can see here. So let's unbox it together. Ooh, this is neat. Let's see. Comes with this fancy card. Information how to care for the bag and what it's made out of. Oh, that's a very nice dashboard. So, a few things to know about this bag. It's made out of Italian leathers. It's real leather and it has 33 liters of capacity, so plenty of space. And here it is. Oh wow. It's extremely light, which I'm surprised because I was expecting it to be a little heavier. I have a weekender bag which is made out of vegan leather and it is kind of heavy. I was hoping it would be lighter, but it's not. Plus, I already love that these handles fully go down. Oh my god, that's one thing which I hate about my other weekender bag. Literally, it's kind of like this, and it's like I can't even open it fully to fit my stuff. And then the zipper is scratching anytime I put my laptop or my iPad in it. And that's why I was looking for something that is more flexible, let's say. So I'm so excited. My other weekend bag isn't fully open, as you can see. This does. Yeah, for some reason, it just when they were designing it, they didn't think it through. And unfortunately, I just can't, unless I hold the bag open and then have a pair of other hands to put stuff in. It's just so annoying. I always get scratched by the zipper, but this is amazing. This is exactly what I was looking for. And of course, it comes with a strap. So obviously you can, hold it by its handle, put it on a suitcase. It has the pass-through. A must. And I love that it's magnetic. Oh my god, you guys. It's magnetic. Love that. Just small details. It's just something that I really appreciate. So the bag is designed to maintain the structure without being filled with stuff. And that's something which, again, I feel like with my other weekender bag, which is made out of vegan leather, unfortunately, I feel like because I'm not filling it, when I'm not using it, it is kind of losing its shape. So this is supposed to keep its shape even without being filled. So I'm looking forward to it. And I just love how soft and flexible the leather is, but it is very, as you can see the grain here, it's very heavy duty, so you don't have to worry about scratches. My vegan leather bag is smooth leather, which it will show scratches if you scratch it. So this is an advantage of this kind of leather, that it will be more scratches proof, if that makes sense. And oh, I love that it has a pocket here, so anything that you need easily accessible, phone, wallet, passport, it goes here. And honestly, it looks like there's no pocket here, which is nice, so it's a little more secret. All the little details here, oh look at this, the logo here, so beautiful, very high quality. And let me just open this up. Oh, here too. That's beautiful. And inside you get one big zippered pocket. So this is great for, oh, it's there. Wait a minute. That's cute. It comes with a little lock, you guys. Okay, so if let's say you are leaving this bag on a train or at a hotel and you want to make sure that no one gets into your bag inside of it, you can actually lock it and then take this with you. And wow, this is so cool. Okay, so let's unlock it. Okay, so it's unlocked, and then you can lock it and no one can get to it, but you can unlock it with this little key. That's amazing. Very, very thoughtful. I think it is pretty great, especially, you know, if you have like some more valuable stuff that you don't want people messing with. So that was in this pocket, but it also comes with 2 more pockets here. And so you can see, and there's a ton of room. I love that. So obviously it will fit your MacBook 16-inch, so the biggest one, no problem. And I am going to Palm Springs this next week, so I'm gonna be testing this bag. This is gonna be literally perfect. Great timing. So this is the strap. Obviously you can extend it if you want. This is great, especially like if you're gonna pack for a whole week, and if you're electronics, you know, your bag gets heavy, although this one is much lighter than my other weekender bag, so I think it's already a huge improvement, but it's nice to have that strap. This pass-through is so much easier to use than my other bag, because my other bag needs to fit in like a very small hole here, and it's always a pain. I always ask my husband to do it, and with this pass-through it should be much easier. Love all the little details, as you can see. So all the zippers have these little leather tags, which is so much easier to open. The zipper is so smooth. Comes with 2. So a few things to keep in mind about this bag. Let me just show you how it looks with this strap. Oh, this is great. Oh, it's gonna be so comfortable. Oh, I just love this bag already. And it comes in 3 different colors. I chose this chestnut because I just love the look of the brown leather. I feel like it's so, like, it feels so elevated. And I also love that it doesn't have like huge logos, like literally this is it. So it just feels so, just honestly even more luxurious than like if it would have like huge logo, if that makes sense. I love that the zippers are literally just so smooth. It's very easy to just get into the bag, you know, get what you want from it. Love the little zipper here, that's so useful. I mean, I'm thinking of the cons, and obviously it is a more expensive bag because it is made of real leather. It's a very high quality bag. So it comes at the price point, but I'm always thinking, you know what? It's always better to buy something once and have it for years instead of, you know, buy a bag and then after 2 years or 3 years, it's starting to look not so good and you have to replace it. I just hate that. I prefer to buy something high quality and keep it for years. That's why for me, like when I was buying my Celine bag, like, yes, you know, it was a few $1,000s, but I wear this bag every single day. It still looks brand new. It's real leather and it's just so high quality and looks so good that I have no regrets, even though, you know, it was expensive, but it's so nice. So I'm obviously gonna be keeping the desk bag too anytime. I'm not gonna be using this bag. Always nice to have it in the desk bag. Always just protects the leather from dust and from sun, so it's always good to have. And yeah, so in conclusion, if you're looking for a high quality premium bag that offers everything you need, so it comes with a strap, it has a zippered pocket, it has open pockets inside, it's extremely light for a leather bag, and it's made out of this beautifully, I mean, such a high quality leather. I can tell, like, I can scratch it and there's nothing. If it would be a smooth leather, you would see a lot of scratches already. So I think this is literally like the perfect weekender bag. So yeah, if you are looking for craftsmanship, high quality bag, I feel like this is it. So I'm just so excited to finally be able to use it this week. And if you have any questions, obviously let me know in the comments, and I'll link this bag in the description below, and I will see you soon in the next video. Bye bye.